428, 469.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the next couple of video clips. I guess the camera was out of focus, and it really is bad. So sorry about that. But make sure to go check out my buddy, Mr. Eric Gold. His YouTube channel should be spinning up any minute now. The link will be down below in the description. His Turbo Civic should be spinning the rollers soon.
So this one's going in the Civic? Huh? What's that going in?
The Mustang.
Oh, okay. Well, guys, I came by the dyno and I ran into another friend of mine that's he's back in the business. But this is this your first Civic?
This will be actually it's my second Civic. I had an automatic.
Automatic, but non-turbo.
Yeah, non-turbo.
Non-turbo.
Yeah.
By the way, this is Eric. I don't know if you've seen him, probably past videos. He's said some things on videos before, but he decided to get his own turbo Civic. I'll just do a light overview real quick because he will be launching his YouTube channel like less than 24 hours.
Yeah.
So, what is the preliminary name going to be if it's not taken?
Oh, I have no idea. That's a good question.
It's going to be like Gold Digger Racing or something.
Yeah.
It's a play off his last name, by the way. Anyway, not that he's a gold digger. Anyway, it is a D16Y7. It's a. All right, let's try that again because it was not working. Okay. Anyway, it's a D16Y7 non-VTEC. Why'd you go with that?
Because it was my daily driver.
Because it was his daily driver. What are you daily driving now?
Well, my Expedition.
Okay, so he's no longer daily driving this. Maybe. Oh, back to a daily driver with the turbo. It's got a
Turbonetics something like a 50.
Turbonetics, yeah.
Something like that.
Got another little Turbonetics wastegate. Choo-choo valve down there. Yeah. Intercooler, piping, and still stock clutch at the moment.
Yeah, stock clutch. That's the next thing.
Yeah.
Very low boost for right now, just to get it running.
Already.
A week or two, I'll put a clutch in it.
Yeah, you already had a dyno video. That's gonna be what, the probably first video going on the YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. We won't give away what it made all motor, but it blow the doors off some of y'all's rides. Big horsepower. But yeah, it looks good. I noticed the headlights got the gangster lean mod, so they're tilted to the sky.
Look at this thing right here is high speed.
High speed, yeah. What's holding it in?
Nothing.
The light bulb. The light. But good stuff. Good stuff. So the link will be down below in the description for when he actually makes his YouTube, because I don't know what it is yet, and he doesn't know either because he hasn't made it. But he will be making it. I peer pressured him into one. I'm not going to show your license plate. I was just looking around the body. This is, other than the fact that all the clear coat's gone. So my phone was turning off because it says it's overheating in the middle of winter time when it's probably like the crack of 30 degrees outside. So don't know what's going on there. But guys, go check this out. If this car and my car is running at the same time, maybe we could race, even though it wouldn't be fair at all because I'd totally lose to this. Hopefully not. But yeah, goals? Any goals?
200. You know, that's the kind of goal. But if it blows up before then, oh well.
I mean, 200 is a good goal to have for this car. D16Y or the Y8s, the VTECs, people are looking for like low 200, so I don't know.
Eventually I might do that if I build a motor for it. I don't know. I got too many projects, so.
Yeah. Oh, that's another thing. He will have plenty of other stuff going on the YouTubes, other than just Hondas. He is there's more happening in here than just Hondas. All right, guys. Later. Peace.